Hey guys, so this is a little long form video. I wanted to show you this one. This is a Gräser hybrid called Märchenfee. Oh man, I'm fighting against the hoverflies again. They are so aggressive today. I don't know why. But yeah. Go away, man. I'm sick. Out. Out. Yeah, this is called Märchenfee. And yeah, here's the body. Massive Gräser hybrid. I mean, there's always so much pollen around. Why are they attacking the flowers that I am at? You know, I always intentionally keep flowers out that I don't pollinate just for the insects, you know.